Hello guys. First of all, let me say congratulations to you all. XRP case has come to an end. A recent news came up that Gary Gensler resignation as SEC chairman has been confirmed by SEC sources. I came across this tweet claiming that SEC sources had confirmed Gary Gensler's resignation, and I was so excited, so I decided to share it with you guys. As we all know that Gary has brought a lot of setback to the entire cryptocurrency in America, I guess by next week we all can trade in peace and enjoys the taste of cryptocurrency. Immediately after reviewing the article, I decided that it appeared to be credible. So I tweeted this quote, "Breaking news. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission officially confirms Gary Gensler's resignation. If this is to be true, this would be extremely bullish for XRP. Let's be honest with ourselves. This would make a great story. Influencing and disseminating incorrect and misleading information about digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum in order to lower their price and advance his personal objectives. Funny enough, the group that opposes cryptocurrencies, funny enough, also claims that Gensler has a conflict of interest because he was a partner at Goldman Sachs, a big player in the conventional financial system. Coinbase has provided evidence to Gary against replacing over $2.5 million in Bitcoin short just 48 hours previous to the Coinbase and finance litigation. Additionally, within this lawsuit, Gary has also discovered market manipulation in addition to being sued. A number of other exchanges, including Coinbase, Finance, and others. Additionally, Capo claims that Mr. Gary Gensler has previously been accused of market manipulation with inside information. Multiple reports from August 2022 showed similar instances where he participated in market manipulation, which begs the question of why less light has been shed on Gary Gensler actions in the past. Of cryptocurrencies were also deemed securities, causing the price of Bitcoin to drop and collapse. Family, you won't want to miss this video since it is so jam-packed with information. Watch it through to the end and leave a comment to share your thoughts because I will read and respond to each one. According to the article published on the website cryptoalert.com, anonymous sources and an anonymous SEC official who spoke on the condition of anonymity due to the sensitivity of the allegations made against her have resigned from their positions as chairman of the SEC as a result of an internal investigation into allegations of misconduct. The specifics of the investigation are private, but the decision to resign highlights the gravity of the finding. It further mentions that in the breathtaking revelation, the current chairman of the SEC, Gary Gensler, reportedly submitted his resignation after an internal investigation. This shocking revelation has rocked the financial sector and raised questions about the integrity of the regulatory body and the implications for investor confidence. Ironically, I want to take a sidestep to talk about how Gary Gensler is likely under a lot of pressure. Gary Gensler, imagine your former SEC chairman, the man who served before Gary Gensler, telling Gary against her that he didn't have the authority to sue companies because the SEC didn't have jurisdiction. That is the pressure. Gary Gensler is under Warren Davidson, a congressman, also says that it's time to fire Gary Gensler and restructure the SEC, reiterating Congress's desire to move forward. Back to the article, which states that Gary will leave the SEC in April 2021 to strengthen market oversight and protect investors. It should be noted that his tenure has been characterized by a robust approach to regulation, particularly in the areas of cryptocurrencies and digital asset gangsters. His background in finance and his reputation for informing strangest regulations have earned him respect from some industry experts. But the recent the introduction of an investigation is extremely worrying because another person emphasized the significance of accountability in regulatory agencies, noting that the SEC plays a crucial role in preserving the integrity of the financial markets. When the head of a similar institution is subjected to allegations serious enough to force resignation, it raises serious questions about the regulatory framework and the enforcement of rules. The SEC must address these concerns quickly and transparently to regain trust. The results of the internal investigation are still unknown, leaving room for speculation and uncertainty. Until an official statement is issued by the SEC or Gary Gensler, the public and financial sector can only speculate on the circumstances surrounding his resignation. Again, this is huge news. I'll go ahead and say that I genuinely believe that the Ripple SEC lawsuit is the cause of Gary Gensler's resignation because of the enormous influence that it has, and because this indicates that it will completely destroy the crypto space. I also want to add that Gary Gensler might not want to settle because right now, I believe he feels like he's fighting a personal battle, which means he doesn't want to give up to Ripple. This puts the government in a bad position because the SEC chairman doesn't want to settle but will make them lose the lawsuit because he doesn't want to settle, so he's forcing him to essentially resign again. Prior to jumping, the spike at 48 cents XRP is currently displaying a strong bullish signal. Before we continue with this particular video, Ripple delay ETF boost consumer interest. Ripple and Pierce's study the prospects of blockchain technology and Colombia's financial system in collaboration with Banco de la República. The XRP currency of the dollar, a distinct pattern has begun to emerge in Ledger's daily active addresses that suggests a significant price increase may be in the horizon. Although it was unable to take advantage of the recent market recovery, and Stabilize has made signals that it might using data from Sentiment, prominent cryptocurrency analyst Ellie Martinez recently looked into the daily active addresses for XRP, indicating that investors should be anticipating a substantial price increase. According to his research, the previous 3 price spikes that XRP experienced were preceded by sharp increases in the cryptocurrency's address activity on January, and XRP experienced these significant increases in daily active addresses, according to the provided statistics, and traded just around those spikes. This notable pump also occurred in March right after a sharp increase in address activity. The price of XRP surged by 48 over the ensuing days, followed the general market, pointing to a return to sub-$0.40 on Friday. By the conclusion of the day on Thursday, after increasing by 2.13 XRP, it had drastically returned to below $0.04 for the first time since May 25. Early in the morning, XRP rose to a session high of 0.48 or 7 as a result of a strong session opening. The first key resistance level was broken. XRP opened the day at $0.4811, fell to a low of $0.498 in the early afternoon, and then recovered to finish the day at $0.4730. For the cryptocurrency market, XRP broke through the first major support level at $0.4649, and the second major support level is at $0.450. The news about business was volatile from Monday through Friday, and some claim that Ripple was uninteresting, while volatility was caused by ETF updates. ETF-related news remained the most prominent story in the crypto news. We stop here for now. Thank you and see you in the next one.